Do you think your fate is already determined by your DNA? If so, today I will tell you an amazing fact that will completely turn your thoughts upside down. The shocking truth that the latest science has revealed is that we can wake up our own genes. Imagine, what if the longevity genes sleeping in your body could be awakened by your every action? Just like Sleeping Beauty, and that too in just a few weeks? It may be hard to believe, but this is no longer a story from a science fiction movie. According to the shocking research results of world-renowned geneticist David Sinclair, our DNA is not a fixed book of fate, but a diary that we can rewrite every day. His team succeeded in reversing aging by activating certain genes in mice. Amazingly, the old mice's eyesight was restored, their hair grew back, and their physical strength returned to that of young mice. Now, can we humans experience such changes? The answer is yes. Another study from Harvard Medical School found that when adults in their 50s maintained certain lifestyle habits for 6 months, the participants' biological age decreased by an average of 3.23 years. Some participants even became 10 years younger, which is an incredible result. So how can we wake up our longevity? Genes? Here are 5 revolutionary methods proven by science. 1. The magic of intermittent fasting. The first secret is not eating. Surprisingly, when we fast for more than 16 hours a day, something amazing happens in our bodies. When a gene called SIRT1 is activated, cell regeneration begins, and aging cells are removed through a process called autophagy. It's like replacing old machines in an old factory with new ones. In fact, according to a study by Dr. Yoshinori Ohara's team in Japan, a group that practiced 168 intermittent fasting for 16 hours a day, and eating for 8 hours for 3 months had an average 30% increase in telomere length. Telomeres are the parts at the end of chromosomes, and their length is directly related to lifespan. But be careful, it is important to starve smartly, rather than simply starve. You should drink plenty of water while fasting, and eat a variety of nutritious foods during mealtimes. 2. Extreme temperature exposure. The second secret may be a bit shocking. It is exposing your body to extreme temperatures. Cold showers, ice baths, or high temperature exposure such as saunas give our bodies the right amount of stress. This is called hormesis, and this positive stress strengthens our body's defense system and activates longevity genes. The Dutch Iceman, Wim Hof, is said to have completely changed his immune system using this method. He was able to maintain his body temperature, even at sub-zero temperatures, which surprised scientists. It is said that taking a cold shower every morning for just 3 minutes can activate brown fat good fat, strengthen immunity, and activate a longevity gene called FOXO3. 3. Explosive intake of specific nutrients. The third secret is to consume specific nutrients explosively. Resveratrol, NMN nicotinamide mononucleotide, and methylation nutrients are the main characters. Resveratrol is a substance abundant in grape skins and directly activates the SIRT1 gene. Resveratrol supplements that have the same effect as eating 10 kilograms of grapes a day are already on the market. NMN is a precursor of NAD, which is essential for energy metabolism in our body. NAD levels decrease rapidly as we age, but NMN supplementation can restore them. In fact, in a mouse experiment, NMN supplementation restored muscle function and metabolism in aged mice to the level of young mice. Methylation nutrients, vitamins B, folic acid, betaine, etc. play an important role in DNA repair and gene expression regulation. Adequate intake of these nutrients helps our genes function optimally. 4. Revolutionary exercise method. The fourth secret is exercise. But it is not the exercise you know. Recent studies have shown that high-intensity interval training HIIT is the most effective for activating longevity genes. In particular, the effect is doubled when protein is consumed within 3 hours after exercise. Surprisingly, Just 4 minutes of ultra-high intensity exercise can activate the antioxidant gene called NRF2 and the longevity gene FOXO3. This is more effective than 2 hours of moderate intensity cardio exercise. Isn't it really revolutionary? But be careful. High-intensity exercise requires warm-up in proper form. If done incorrectly, it can actually lead to injury. So it is recommended to start under the guidance of a professional. 5. Peace of mind meditation and social connection. The last secret may be the most important. Find peace of mind. According to a study by Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn and her team at the University of California, regular meditation helps maintain telomere length. In particular, a specific form of meditation called loving kindness meditation has been shown to reduce the expression of genes associated with aging. Research has also shown that people with strong social ties have healthier gene expression patterns. In other words, maintaining good relationships goes beyond just emotional satisfaction and actually affects our genes. Now you know the secret to waking up your own DNA. But that's not all. Scientists are making new discoveries every day, and our understanding of our genes continues to deepen. Imagine if in 10 years you were younger, healthier, and more vibrant than you are now. And not just in appearance, but on a cellular level. Now the choice is yours. Will you continue to live your current lifestyle and slowly accept aging? Or will you challenge your genetic destiny by trying these revolutionary methods? The important thing to note is that these methods may not work the same for everyone, because each of us has a different genetic background and environmental factors are also different. Therefore, it is recommended to consult a specialist before starting a new lifestyle. Also, keep in mind that these methods are not magic solutions. It is still important to follow basic health rules such as a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and stress management. And the most important thing is consistency. Waking up your genes does not happen overnight. The key is to make changes steadily and gradually. Finally, enjoy the whole process. Observing the changes in your body and mind, and making new discoveries in the process will enrich your life. The journey to awaken the secret of longevity sleeping in your DNA has begun. Now, you are not simply getting older, but rewriting your genes every day. So, are you ready to take the first step toward your new life? Your DNA is waiting to awaken. Get started right now. Become the main character of the amazing story that your genes will unfold.